How to allow install unknown source on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the setting app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on a security and privacy. Again scroll. Here you can find the more security settings. In additional security settings section, tap on a more security settings. Now you can see the install unknown apps. Tap on it. Now you can see by default toggle off it. Just toggle on it to allow unknown apps related Chrome browser on your device. Whenever you install any third-party apps or APK file on your device, you need to allow this permission to install the third-party app and install unknown source on your device. If you don't want to, you just toggle off it. That's it. If you like it, share it.